Hello everyone, this is Kian from Reaper Rocker. Welcome to Tales from the Underground. On today's episode, magba-band feature tayo at kikilalanin natin ang bandang Glorious Masai Mara, isang metal band from Manila, at aalamin natin ang tukol sa kanilang banda at ang kanilang musika. So, if you're excited to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. Let's go! Glorious Masai Mara is a 5-piece metal band whose members came from De La Salle University College of St. Benil. The band started out as two bands with differing styles of metal, tribal and power metal, that eventually merged, hence the interesting name. The band's influence stems from the numerous metal and hard rock acts such as Iron Maiden, Cryptopsy, Camelot, and Motley Crue. On the fringes of this rather standard musical inspiration for metal, members of the band also listen to an eclectic assortment of the other genres of music such as electronica, pop, hip-hop, and jazz. This interesting mix of musical background is what the band uses to feed the current expression they play and channel the torrent through the avenue of metal. The band composed of Pancho on vocals, Kiko on bass, Joel on drums, Christian on guitar, and Kaloy on guitars. So nakilala ko ang bandang Glorious Masai Mara sa Balian ng Liig. So, una ko napakinggan yung kanta nilang Bangungot at talagang na-intriga ako dahil kakaiba yung boses ng vocalist. So, I want to share this track entitled Bangungot at I hope you like it.
Ang labanan, kanyang naisipang bumalik sa kanyang pinagmulan. Okay, tagal nang nawala, tanging iniisip ang makitang muli.
And that was Glorious Masai Mara's Bangungot. So, overall, ang masasabi ko sa kanta na to ay it's a different listening experience. Talagang lubos akong napabilib dun sa vocalist nila, no? Yung kakaiba yung kanyang vocal range, no? Kakaiba yung vocal style at talagang hindi siya yung typical na boses na para sa metal. Kasi nga, usually, di ba, sa mga metal genre, more on ang common dyan ay sigawan, yung matataas ang boses. But this time, yung kanyang boses ay very unique, no? Wala pa akong napapakinggan na ganitong banda sa ganitong style, kaya talagang I'm giving a kudos dun sa ganitong vocal style ng vocalist nila. Talagang hands down at talagang napakagaling. At ayun, at masasabi ko rin, gusto ko yung atake ng guitars. Talagang wow, ang solid, buong buo yung riff, talagang panalo. Mapapa-headbang ka dun sa mga guitar solo parts. So talagang di tayo feel, no, na marami siyang guitar solos, kaya sulit na sulit. Kaya thumbs up. So hopefully, no, na mapanood natin ang live ang Glorious Masai Mara. At parang as of the moment hindi sila ganun ka-active sa scene. Pero I'm still hoping, no, na mapanood natin sila ng live at talagang makapaggawa pa sila ng mga maraming kantaan. I'm looking forward on it. So, pakisuportahan ang bandang Glorious Masai Mara. Talagang worth it silang pakinggan. Let's check out the mosh spots that we could visit for the following days. Alright, so that was all for the video for today, and let me know in the comment sections anong masasabi nyo sa Glorious Masai Mara. Feel free to comment down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to send a thumbs and consider subscribing. Makita-kita tayo sa susunod na episode ng Tales from the Underground. This is Kian signing off. Rock on, Pilipinas!